Good morning, everybody. It is time to do another 4 rows of sunflowers. So I've got the tiller hooked up and getting ready to back down the first row to start tilling. So come along as we plant these next 4 rows. So as you can see, I back down the row each time just so I try not to disturb what I've already done with the grass. You can see the green strips of grass. Just trying to keep those nice and pretty. But right now, every 2 weeks, we're planting 4 rows of sunflowers. So I can't remember how long these rows are. They're about 10, 11 feet wide. And I'm wanting to say 150 feet long. I don't remember. So, but let me hit pause real quick so I can get lined up. All right, got everything lined up. Now it's gonna get loud, so I won't be able to talk. So I gotta put the RPMs up for the tiller. Trying to make a good seed bed for the seed. Alright, so again, I got the first pass finished and back down the road now to get the second one. You can see where I've sprayed. So what I'm doing is every 2 weeks we're planting, but also every 2 weeks we're spraying. So yesterday evening it was just a slight little breeze, so it worked out pretty good. So I went ahead and sprayed the next 4 rows that we'll be planting. So by the time it's time to plant, you know, everything's good. Most of the weeds have been killed, and you can replant. It says you can replant after 10 days, but we're just giving it a 2-week rotation. All right, so this morning when I was going to get the tractor, walked up on a little black snake. It was about 2.5, 3 feet long. Kind of relative area of the chickens, so I went ahead and caught it and brought it down to the edge of the woods to let it go good ways away from the chickens, and it's got to cross the whole field to get back up there, which of course it can, but it also might get grabbed by a hawk or something. So just got done tilling, and I was grabbing the seed to go down to put the sunflowers, throw the sunflower seeds out, and lo and behold, there's another one. This is a nice one. This one's pretty big. So it's a pretty black snake. I don't know if I can. I'll let him down up here so maybe I can get a good picture of him stretched out. There he goes. As you can see, he's a good, he's 4.5, 5 feet long. So, snake's like a black snake or a king snake. I don't kill. I just relocate them away from the kids and away from the chickens and dog and all that. Now, copperhead or something like that, he's gonna be DRT. But so, all right, let me get back to what I was doing. All right, so just got done throwing the seed out, and I'll just show you what we got going on. But after this, I'll take the tractor back over it, just kind of lightly dust the top with the tiller just to turn some of the seed under the soil, and then I'll come back with the cultipacker. But all right, so here are the 4 rows that I just did. These rows, you can see the sunflowers are starting to come up. They were done 2 weeks ago. And then these next 4 rows, you can really see the sunflowers coming up. They were done 4 weeks ago. So everything's looking pretty good. Now I'll get the tractor back out and continue working this ground. Alright, so we got the seed on the ground. I went back over it with the tiller just to kind of fluff it up, put some soil back on top. Picked up a few of the larger rocks, and now going back with my makeshift cultipacker. Not the greatest, but it gets the job done. So now we just need a little bit of rain, and on to the next 2 weeks. Thanks for watching.